Hey guys, I am back. Sorry I'm late. Took me a little minute. I had to work with a client again. Clients come first. I had a client was like, "Hey, I had some trades today. Can we go over there in my mentorship?" So again, even though it's midday, we're in power hour. I still make myself available. My client has a very infrequent schedule, so they may be in between working, or it may be after lunch. So I make myself, when you're in my mentorship, it may be sporadic. It may be 15 minutes in the morning. It may be 30 minutes during a lunch break. It's not always just a standard 1 hour session. So, yeah, I'm not the conventional mentor or teacher. I do have a lot of flexibility and I give a lot of time to my clients. So, we're back. It's power hour. First 15 minutes, we kind of pull down. I was looking at QQQ. If QQQ can get above 728, we'll be looking for a move up to 729, a nice pop. If it can't break above there, we're going to see a move back down to 726. Head over to SPY. SPY has been just dropped. We've been teetering on this line, and I gave y'all this level earlier today, um, 7 747, and I had that alert set on that wick, and you see it the alert went off. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. There's my alert. 747.04 went off, and then what happened? Boom, it popped right back off after my alert hit. So no, I did not scalp puts down here. I have not taken calls either, because we're still sitting on this line. So to the upside, we could probably see 740, 748.40, and downside we'll probably see 746.5, probably 746.7. Back to this support line if we get a break, but there's a strong buy block right here. We might have to wait to the last 15 minutes and see some SPX plays. Again, if you're trading SPY, don't do that inside of Robinhood. It will get you closed out. You're going to want to take these last minute plays in SPX. So I am going to go over XPX this afternoon, or later this evening. So again, if we're looking at some of those contracts and you're looking at 7,500, let's go ahead and grab some of those strikes. So if you're looking at 7,500, looking at 7,505 and 7,510. And again, if we take that play, you're going to be set to buy. Put that stop loss on, set to 20%, and then let's go a little extreme. Let's do 50%, make about $35. So as long as this doesn't drop below, what do you got? $60. As long as this doesn't drop under 60, we're good to go. And then if this thing goes up to about 115, that is a go. So again, you always set your stop loss and take profit. But I really would want to see this not touching that support line. You need a strong close above or a strong close below. And we do the same thing on that sell side. If you take the calls or the puts on the other side, you want to set that stop, put that 20% stop, put a 30% TP over here. And again, same way. But I don't want to take anything on a wick. I'm sorry, not a wick, but a breakthrough that support. I want to see a strong close in a continuation, or a close above to the upside. So I'm very meticulous when it comes to my SPX plays, because these things move really fast. So y'all let me know what y'all are looking at. Again, I'm sorry I'm late to the power hour, but we're gonna watch this thing. If you never traded, look at that thing drop. Look at it go. So we said if this went up to 115, boom, that's already grabbed its 30%. And that's how you make those plays when you make those strong drops. You put the contract in and just let it play out. So strong 30% there on that little drop. And we could see some buyers come in right here. But let's see if it comes on down and see if it'll get 100%. If this goes to 100% play, we want to see this get up to about 170. And you can see it's growing. So that is how fast you can make some money trading SPX. A lot of people get nervous. They don't understand how. They don't know which strike price to take. They don't even know how to read the chart, so it makes it hard for them to be able to capitalize. This is how a lot of us, for the people who don't have time to trade all day, they can take a lunch doing a power hour. They take their 30-minute break or a 15-minute break doing power hour, and they're able to get a couple $100 because they know how to look at the setup. They know how to read the chart. And that's what we're here for. Like again, you once you know how to do this system, you rinse and repeat it every day. So I come on, I look at my SPX, I grab which contracts to take. I know some of y'all are a little bit late to the party, but I was already looking at 74.90. And again, I don't have to lie about which contract we had and where it went to. It's $85. We have a $20 stop, 30% take profit, and it just smacked that on the head. So it should be coming back. You gotta let that wick retrace. And if you have a lot of anxiety when you trade, make sure you have your bar countdown on. That way you can let that play out. So go into your settings, come under scales and lines, and then select countdown to bar close. And that way you don't have to be like, oh God, let me get out of this trade. I can see the bar has another minute and a half in it. That minute and a half is either going to push up or it's going to complete down and retrace that wick. So don't let the candlesticks get you freaked out because once you know where it's in or what is going to happen, more or less how much time you have left in that candle takes all the anxiety out of your play. So again, I apologize for being late. Are y'all trading power hour? Are y'all done for the day? Did y'all make y'all $100 before lunch? Let me know what y'all grab. And who's going to be on tonight? Who's ready for tonight? If you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I will be doing the information on if you're brand new to trading, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to set up, don't know what broker to use, how much money to trade, what tickers to trade. I'm going to go over all of that tonight. You're going to get the I'm probably showing my age again, but when I was in school, if you didn't want to read the book, you could get the Cliff Notes. So I'm going to give y'all the Cliff Notes to options trading. Now, again, you got to read the book to get all the details. The main book I remember probably was Romeo and Juliet. So these are the Cliff Notes to options trading. I'm going to give you the Cliff Notes on how to trade. So again, you understood what Romeo and Juliet was about, but you didn't get all the details when it came to Cliff Notes. So I'm going to give you everything you're going to need to be able to become an options trader and make you an options trader tonight. Will you be profitable? Not yet. You don't have it flushed out. You just got the bones, the bare bones of everything. The meat and potatoes come after that. So who's going to be on the call tonight? Who's ready for the call tonight? And who's trading power hour? What are we doing? Y'all see how that candle got a retracement? Now it's back at that support. 7,500 is going to be a strong area for SPX right now. That is your level. You're either $5 and $10 away or quarter incrementals away from that 7,500. And SPY is just knocking on the door trying to get 750. If they don't get it tomorrow, it's going to be a struggle and this thing could continue to sell out. Markets popped up this morning because we had PMI news came out, so market was already. It looked like they had a little bit of heads up because the market pulled back and then got a strong move up, and then it kind of just gave up. Hi, Miss Alicia. All you have to do is email me. I think we are Facebook friends. So if you DM me your email address, I'll send the link over. I would recommend getting on early. I have not expanded the room. It's going to only be room for about 97 people. So it's going to be me. It's going to be my daughter, who's going to be my assistant, and my wife on. So then the 97 of y'all will be able to get on. It will be recorded, but it will be at my discretion whether I send it out. I really want people to be live and active on the call. That way I don't have to do 1,000 one-on-ones with people who missed it. Oh, make sure you get on the call early. Make sure you have the Zoom link. I will be going over how to set up an account, difference between cash and margin account, how much money you need to trade with, how to read the chart, what tickets to trade, stop loss and take profit, like a custom or a generalized custom trading plan, and then how to look at SPX, what we're doing right now, or what the ticker we're trading with right now. All of that's going to be for free tonight. Absolutely, absolutely. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I've been thanking you guys because again, once we hit 1,000 subs, I'm gonna do it all day from the time the market opens, probably 15 minutes before the market open until market closes. I'm gonna do a full Zoom the whole day. And anybody can hop on, share their screen, whether you're a client of mine or not, whether you're in my Discord or not. This is going to be an open Zoom again, but it's still going to be only open to the first 97 people. Tonight, as a bonus, I gave a little bit of preview earlier. My mentorship is going to be available. I'm all have a limited time of people there. Also, the people who sign up for Discord, we're gonna trade live. I'm gonna have my Zoom open for my Discord members. So if 10 people sign up for Discord tomorrow, you're gonna be able to try to trade with me, ask questions, share your chart, get your answers. Again, avoid having to pay for a one-on-one because I'll be able to answer your questions, look at your charts, give you some in-depth trading, and make some money tomorrow. The goal is to get everybody signed up and make sure you have a broker so you'll be able to trade tomorrow and make some money. Again, I don't know too many people that take a call on one day and then the next day they're trading and making money. But I know with the skill set and what I provide for you guys and how I teach, people are able to make money. Like I'm already telling my Discord, get that dirty 30 and get up out of there. They're taking small wins and they're ready for bigger ones. So again, drop some sevens. If you're gonna be there tonight, drop a 7. If you need the link, comment link. We're still staggering. This is where I don't take a trade. I need for this to be above or below. So you're kind of playing with danger and fire and being very risky taking a trade right now because we know there's resistance right here. And we know the pop is only going to give us to about 705 because that's just where it sold out to. If we get here, when we get back to VWAP, we know we got some support sitting right at 74.91. So this candle is kind of indecisive. We shouldn't be taking a trade inside of that one candle. But I said, remember, I told you guys I'd come back for power hour. So what are y'all trading? Are y'all trading power hour? Are y'all done for the day? Alicia, did you take any trades today? Took Tesla. Did you take Tesla calls? I took TSLL. T, what's up? Thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you guys when you guys check in. Terrence, you take some trades today? Calls, perfect, Alicia. You did well. I know you made some good money on there. If you already taking calls on Tesla, you might not need this class tonight. Tesla's not for the weak. You got to have a little bit of money to be able to get in those Tesla plays. But I'm not gonna keep you out. I've had plenty of classes where people I'll buy the class and stuff and they'll email me and say, Chad, you don't need this class. Like we're way more advanced to this. Like and they'll boot me out and send me a refund. I'm like, hey, I'm just trying to show up and support. Like I might learn something new. I could probably learn one new thing. And they're like, man, you don't need to. So I would say if you trade in Tesla, you probably don't need this class. But I'm not gonna keep you out. If you get in the room, you're in the room. Let's look back at that contract. See, it's still holding up. Stop loss is still 15. It's getting back there, and we're looking at those puts. This is me looking at the 74.90 put, especially if it breaks this level and retraces the 74.91 area. I thank you so much. Hey, Dr. Chaz, made some money on IWM doing power. Nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I was looking at the 74.95p turns. You on it. Y'all are on it. Y'all are on it today. Well, I want to continue to drop gems. Again, it's no gatekeeping over here. Like it again, the one thing I truly love about trading and teaching is that we don't take money from each other. Um, you know, if you're in the streets, or if have a business, if you sell plates, it's always competition out there. Somebody buy from you, they may not buy from other people. If I get my shirts over here, I might not buy them over there. Whatever products, there's always competition. And when it comes to trading and in the stock market, again, I can take everybody in my Discord. There's about 3,100 people in Discord. Then I can take probably all my Facebook friends. I got probably 12K Facebook friends. Don't know them all. But even with them 15,000 people, if all of us pulled $15,000, nobody would blink. Nobody would care. If we all take the same trade and all make money, we didn't take money out of each other's mouths. We didn't take money out of food off of anybody else's table. We're just making money. So that is the most attractive thing about the markets to me. We taking money out of an infinite market that doesn't affect anybody else. If I take a call or put on this company, it doesn't affect that company. It doesn't affect the universe. It's not going to make people on the street poor. It doesn't matter. And that is the truly one love that I have about this. There's no competition. We are not competing with each other. If I call a signal and we all take that play and we all make some money, we all win. It's not this team beat that team. Like if every Discord took everybody's plays and we all did all the same plays and made some money, like that's phenomenal. It doesn't hurt anybody. That's why I continue to teach, because it's not going to affect me. You having a winning trade doesn't make me any less of a trader. Like us all winning makes us better as a whole. And then to be a part of something like that that makes money, like everyone's like, oh, money's the root of all evil. But no, it ain't. It's commerce. You have to. I mean, if we could be exchanging goods, and that we're just exchanging fiat, and so we got to make that money. Let's look at the trade. A little bit of theta decay on it, but that 85 is now up to 110. We have not hit the stop. That 110 is hit to take profit again. I think it can do 100%. 100%. I think it can do it. What would be 100% on this play? 170. It won't let me put. It won't let me put 100%. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe I gotta put 1 point. I don't know why it's not doing. Okay, there it goes. I don't know why I wouldn't do it before. There we go. 100%, 170. So let's see if it hits 100%. It's got to break that. It's got to break VWAP to drop, and VWAP has been a strong level. Y'all watching it? Terrence, did you get in that 7:45p yet? Anybody looking at puts? Anybody looking to get in position? If you're trading this on Robinhood and you're taking SPY, be careful because they're gonna close you out at 7:45 if this thing spikes up. It's moving. It's moving. We're getting some movement. Does it get to 170? I gave y'all the play. I got y'all in at $85. We looking at 170, see 100%. Can we get 10 more dollars? Who think we can do it? Again, this is why I trade with you guys. Because again, if I help you make $100, now you can come and have a one-on-one with me and help you break it down. Come on, man, give us that money. It's trying to wick back up. If you took it, I'm just observing, doing the work like you teach. All right, I got you. 63%. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Took that 30, like I said, boom. Again, I love my channel. We ain't got to do too much. We ain't got to do too much. 30% gonna pay some bills. The way gas prices are, I mean, just 30%, dirty 30, and we up out of there. Out of there, out of there. Regine, I don't know if you're new here. Welcome. I'm not sure if you're new or not, but I can't remember your name, so I apologize. But welcome if you are new here. Like and subscribe. I love that you got your 30%. Let's see if we're going to hit that hundo. 100. Hey, what I'm talking about. I came back on late and we still smacked it for 100%. Still smacked for 30. And this ain't paid call. This is what I'm doing for free. So y'all know when I'm in the Discord. Y'all know when I'm live. Like I'm getting y'all paid. And then I'm breaking down the why. I'm getting y'all paid to the T with the why. The paper trade, we eat. We eat around here. Mogul Stock Group. Trade with Dr. Chaz. We are one and the same. Do I have my own Discord? No. I trade with the moguls. I don't plan to ever have my own. I don't want that type of responsibility. I like being in my own channel. I like being to collaborate with my other analysts, and we have a good time. We're a real true family. That trade just hit so beautifully. I am. That's my snipe. I love being a snipe. Oh, Akira, now see Akira, my girl. That's my girl in the Discord. When I say I take a trade, she be right there with me. We be like $1 or 2 hours. We almost have the exact same entry and exit. Oh, I got you now, girl. Again, I like to see this again. This is what happens. Like I create, like again, I don't have. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. I don't have to make you, you don't have to trade exactly like me. You just have to know the system. But if you trade exactly like me, you ain't losing no, you're not losing no food, no sleep. You making that money. Write down entry, exit, put that stop in there, because a lot of times you'll get caught with slippage. And if you don't know what slippage is, when you see that candle weakening and popping back up, if we go to the 1 minute, you can actually see it play out. So if you're on the 1 minute, you can exit at a timely manner. But if you're watching it staying on the 5, you get that slippage where it might shoot down, hit 100, pop back up. But if you already got your $100 contract in there, you're not waiting to see 100, snap a screenshot and get out the way. It's going to already pick up your trade, and then you're good to go. But the only time I like to be on that 1 minute is if we are trading SPX. Any other time, I want y'all to get off of that 1 minute. You can enter on the 1, exit on the 1, but follow your trade on the 5 unless we are trading SPX. Now we can see the on the 1 minute, you can see that reversal happening off of that line. You see some buyers stepping up. But that was a beautiful, beautiful setup. So we got the next 15 minutes. This is going to close out those zero DTE people on certain brokerages. So we're going to see probably a pop in a reversal direction, and then a continuation for that last 15 minutes. So let's see if it takes out the support. I'm on a 2 minute candle. 2 minutes cool, but I still want you to get up off of it. Come on, come up a little bit. Come up a little bit. If you are watching the SPX, 2 minutes not bad. Come to the 3. Prefer the 5. Entry on 1. I'm not mad at it though. Who else took the play? Anybody else take a paper trade or even look at it or attempt? If we re-enter, what is the price now? It's at 140, so you could re-enter here, or you can take the 74.85 and $65 and keep that stop at about $20 if you come in for this strike, because we're kind of in. We want to let that next candle close, and then we see what action we get in the last 10 minutes. Because if this thing's popping up, it's gonna bleed that contract. Ooh, there it goes. I see where we're going on the re-entry. Come on, it's playing games with that premium. Come on and hit that line. Come on and hit that line. Sometimes you have to. Okay. I was gonna say something, but sometimes you just gotta talk them through it. If you know, you know. Sometimes you gotta talk them through it. We're all grown here. I set my channel to no kids, so sometimes you have to talk their trade through it, talk them through it. It's the best if you can talk them through it. If you know, you know. Come on, hit that line. Come on, hit that support line. Come on, people. Let's get it. See if we can hit. See if it's gonna go over. Gonna hit that 200. So if you get in right now at 155, let's see if it can hit 200. Get about $40. But it's got to drop. Let's see what the 1 minute's saying. I don't like it that much. I want it to go on and drop. Can't always get what we want, but it looks like we might be able to take it. It's got to take out that level right there. And our target is $2 away. It was like so close yet so far. And then this thing will pop up and come right back to VWAP. And you're like, what are you doing? You're closer to hitting my support than you are to go back to VWAP. Man. Anybody else take the play? Akira, the only person that took the play or the paper trade? Who else took the play? Who else made some money? And if you haven't, you need to be on a call tonight so you can know what to do, so you can make some money like this. Power hour is the sweet spot. This setup is about, I say it's about 75%. And I say it's 75% because every day doing power hour is not a great time to trade. So 3 to 4 days a week, we get a setup. It's not our everyday setup. But if you could come to the market and pull, $200-300, depending on how much capital you got, that's a good week. Doesn't take a part-time job. So it's a beautiful setup. They're looking like they're going to come in. The reversal, I don't like. I usually like to stay with the trend down. So if this pops up a little bit, on the call side, you're looking at, I would probably stick with the 7,500. A little pricey at the 74.95. We go back call side. So this would be my put side. Call side, I'm still fairly bearish on this because again, I'm closer to hitting my support than I am coming back up to VWAP. But it's the end of the day. Crazier things have happened. They can get pump it at the end of the day. But I'm looking forward to hit my target here. Come on down. This is when I get my Bob Barker. Come on down. Can we get 200? Come on, hit 200. And this is why having your order in is strategic. Because if it just weeks, it'll go and take you out and get your profit. So we saw that at a re-entry at 150, 155. Come on, drop it like it's hot. Got 2 more minutes in the 5 minute. Well, no, we got 10 seconds. You gonna get it? Look, look, look. Can we get 200? Can we? There it go. Boom. If you hit the re-entry, look at the target. Out of there. We done. We're done. Day's over with. Done. If that thing keeps falling, you just paid. But I just got y'all re-entry at 155. The thing went up to 215. We're done. If y'all got questions, go ahead and drop your questions because I'm done. I'm not calling no nothing else. I don't like the last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes give me anxiety. I like to be paid and done. So it's time for questions. If you got a question, if you don't have a link to the Zoom tonight, you need to shoot me an email so I can send you the link. I do recommend just getting on the call early. There's only going to be 97 spots, and that's it. I'm not expanding the room tonight. I've made this post over Facebook and it hit like wildfire. I've dropped it in a couple of groups. So there are going to be people from all different trading spaces coming to learn. So if you want to be on there, make sure you have the link. Make sure you open it early. Just open it up and set it on your laptop. That way you can come back to it. If you drop off, lose service, you might not be able to get back in. What's the dirty 30? You were mentioned. So that's me just letting my clients know once they start to get their routine down and they can actually trade, I tell them put their put their take profit at 30%. So a lot of times they won't trust their gut. And I saw some of them getting out at like 9%, 12%. And then they're like, oh, the trade was running. It was running. So I told them increase that TP. Put that 30% on there. And once you're comfortable, that's that dirty 30 with 20% stop, 30% take profit. Again, if you do that with a $100 or $200, so this is what I take you guys through when you're in my mentorship and then you want to start trading. Here's a copy of the tracker. So if you come in here and you're using $100, and because that's at the minimum of what I tell you guys to start with, and let's say you just do 20, you just get 20% daily. That's $20 a day. Moving that up, look at the returns by your trade number 52. By 52, your 50-second trade. And again, we got to put in some stop losses and you going off you're not following directions and stuff. But by your 57 trade, you should be at $1 million. I can't stress it enough how it doesn't take anything major. It's this small $20 a day or it's $20 a trade that gets you to a millionaire. And again, it doesn't have to be in 52 days or 52 weeks or 52 trades. You just have to work toward that goal and compound. So sometimes people get here and they get to about 1,000 and they rinse and repeat. They got $1,000, they've grown that 100, take half out, rinse and repeat. So there's multiple ways to get there, but that's why I started everybody off at just a general 20% stop, 30% take profit. Ooh, look at her go. Look at it go. 240. I couldn't have got y'all no sweeter than that. What was this one? I think this one was like $60 or something like that. So either one of those two contracts are getting look at that last 10 minutes. Can't make this stuff up. Oh, $400. I got you guys in at 85 freaking dollars. Ooh, okay. And this stuff is just like it's just so like make you want to shout when you can see a $85 trade in the last 30 minutes go over $400. That's magic. Even if you just kept going 30%, 30%, 30%, you getting paid. Man, I just get excited about this stuff. I see a short about to be posted. Dr. Chad, you see it. Um, what's the green block you had up to show you where to take the profit? Is that the indicator? I think you mean on my. Did you mean on my chart or on here? Tell me which one you mean. Is it on the order screen in Webull or on TradingView? So that I know. Uh, that way I can know. Can you save this live, please? Kale, thank you for showing up. Yes, it's going to stay up. I keep my lives up. I'm seeing a lot of my clients come back and say, hey, I've been watching the replays and taking notes, and I'm learning so much. So, yes, these stay up. Watch them, replay them, share them out. Yes, I leave these lives up. Unless I say something inappropriate that might get my account banned and stuff like that, I might put that behind a paywall or not share. But, yes, this will be up for you to come back to. Rinse and repeat, watch it and play it over again, put it up on your TV and watch and trade it. Man, I just missed that on a call. Dang, well, it printed. Those are my barbecue people. Champ Barbecue. Yeah, y'all missed that drop. Like I called that one to the T, $80 to 400. So we about out of here. Again, tonight I will be showing you guys how to set up your brokerage account, how much to trade with, what to trade, how to trade. We're going to recap this SPX play. We're going to go over that compound sheet. I'm going to have some offers again. If you just want the free stuff, stay for the first 45 minutes, leave. You don't have to buy anything. I don't care if you buy anything. I'm not going to think less of you, whether you work with me or not. Again, I'm just helping the community. Again, once you learn how to trade and then you got some questions, then you've made enough money to be able to pay for it. You guys did miss the first one. I did this about 3 times. I'm on like this 4th informational, and I gave away deals. Those deals expired midnight yesterday, so there are going to be new deals today. But I will be starting back my group mentorship on the weekend, and then my one-on-one mentorship, but they will be limited. There's only going to be 10 spots for one-on-one, and there will be 40 spots for group. And I might cut that down again. Oh, God dang it. Look at this thing keep going. My God. I mean, look at that contract. That thing is still dropping. And why? We broke support. We're down here in this other buy order block. This is a fair value gap over here. So we can see it still probably come and take out that area. And usually psychological, we're looking at 74.75 down here. That's $15. Let's see what this one gets to. We're marking it, eyeballing it at about 15. Let's see if this thing takes out another $10. I don't like the wicks because that's letting me know buyers are stepping up. But to see it drop again, man. Oh, and we're inside of a buy zone. So there's the sell. That's where it'll probably want to come back down to. But we're in a strong buying area. So sellers have to push because buyers are sitting here. This is where they want to buy it. You can see once it got down in that buy zone, pop back up. In that buy zone, popping back up. But I hope this was helpful for you guys. We got 4 more minutes. Extra questions. If you found value, in this live, drop some 7s. If you drop those 7s, that let me know I did something good. Let me know I should definitely keep this live up like they asked for. So drop those 7s in the chat. Drop any questions that you may have. This is your time. And we're gonna get up out of here. We got 4 minutes. We're done. I'm not calling no more plays. I'm not giving anything else. We're done for the day. Stick a fork in it. That's it. Only 2 people found value. I only got 2 set of 7s. Man, I might need to put this one in the archive since it wasn't that great. Only 2 people, and that thing's still falling. Look at that contract. Look at the contract. I just told y'all this contract. It was $15 freaking. It's up to $50. Look at this, $15. Y'all are watching this in real freaking time. I spotted this contract and told y'all where it was going to. It was $15 in the last 3 minutes. Look at that. I gave y'all the level. I gave it to you. You could have turned $15. Look at it. It's still going. $15 into 55. 68. Ooh, my God. My God. Y'all can't tell me I don't know this stuff. Like, I don't need a playbook. It's in my head. Like, it's in my head. Look at this, man. I'm out of here. $85. There's the contract. Find you a better trader. Find you somebody else to play with. $85. We saw that get up to 700. Y'all gonna make me throw the mic. I done came back and this thing that dang near paid for somebody mortgage, them paid somebody car note. Man. And I only got 3 7s. I ain't getting number 2 people to say 7s. It's 12 of y'all on here. Only 2 people said 7s. I guess this was trash. I guess it was trash. I guess it was trash. Oh, what am I gonna do with myself? Why do I even show up? Because y'all don't care. Nobody care. Being a little small channel like mine, nobody care. I'm sure that trade just paid somebody freaking mortgage. That trade just paid somebody rent. That trade just paid somebody car note. But again, we ain't have number 13 to the T. When you draw a level, y'all seen me in real time draw the level of where this was going to. If I pop the order book back on, let's put the order block back on. I showed y'all exactly where the order block was, where it was gonna come down to. That thing wicked through, and $15 went to $55, $60, more than 100%. This is why I teach, because it don't take food off my table. These are life-changing plays, and you didn't have to be in the trade all day. I was late to the power hour. We ain't been on the call 40. We ain't been on Zoom 45 minutes. I mean, YouTube. We've been on 37 minutes, and I've called $1,000 worth of play. Well, maybe like $785 worth of play. But depending on how many contracts you took, you got paid. Y'all see it. I'm gonna just leave that one right there. I think I'm pretty great. MG is here. Thank you for being here. I think you're new here, so welcome. Like and share. But welcome. I hope you learned something. If you missed the beginning, come back and watch. Again, you're not going to see a lot of me, but I am a real person. I do show my face sometimes. I will show my face this evening. But it's not about me. You see, I'm going to keep myself small. Y'all need to see the screen. Y'all need to be able to see the trade. Y'all need to be able to make some money. But it's 3. Market is closed. We are done unless you're playing after hours on Spire. But I hope y'all had a good time. I hope y'all made some money. If you made some money, go tell somebody. Go drop on, go share me on IG. It's Dr. Chaz. Make a post, tag me in it. Go to Facebook. It's just my name, Chastity Sandage. Make a post, tell the people you made some money with me for free. I don't know how many people just let you just come make money with them for free and not charge nothing like that. So again, I continue to show up. I want to get y'all paid. That's what I do it for. You got it. You got it, boss. The original contract for 74.85 went to 426%. I mean, I can't. I just can't. Look at that contract. You saw it at 85. I'm leaving here. All I get. I told y'all 100% would have been just 170. That thing went over there. So this was a good setup. Absolutely. Thank you so much. I mean, Memphis creates that. We've always been great, and nobody likes to give Memphis credit, but Memphis makes some great people, and we still out here. We may be spread out far, but them roots still come from that red clay down, the foot home, South Memphis, North Memphis. I'm a rep everybody, but I am a South Memphis baby. South Memphis baby. Yes, I grew up in East, but I was born and raised riding bikes all up through Longview and Alton and going up to Kroger Southgate. My mama worked at the Kroger off of Third. My grandmother worked retired from the Kroger on Third. I ate at that Captain D's many a night. It used to be a Taco Bell over there. I don't know if the Taco Bell there. The McDonald's on that lot with Kroger fed me breakfast plenty of times. So again, I'm Memphis made, Texas paid. All I want to do is get y'all to get some money. I hope this channel continue to grow so other people can make some money. And even if the channel don't grow, hey, I'll be inside of Discord. You got to get in where you fit in. I didn't hold it, but I got my 30. That's all we got to do. Hey, dirty 30, we still gonna get it. Can you get the link again? Will you post it in Discord? Which link? I'm not posting it in Discord because then we gonna have everybody show up and we gotta get the new people in. But DM me and I'll send the link for the class tonight. Yeah. I just don't want to post it and you get bombarded with all of the people that's already in Discord. Again, we trying to get the new people, get them over to join our team, understand where we at. Um, we stayed off Rankin by Hamilton, but I grew up in Orange Mountain, Whitehaven. There you go. Yeah, family all through Whitehaven. Cousins graduated from Whitehaven. Um, I mean, my family still stays in South Memphis. My Uncle Bob, we got a farm down in South. We got some land in a barn down in South Memphis. Most people, if you're driving through the interstate, you can see our land and farm right off the interstate in South Memphis. The only people we in the city with a farm, some horses, a barn down there. We have parties and stuff down there for people. And so again, rep the city. But again, if y'all don't have any questions, y'all got like 30 seconds. I know the chat is delayed, but if you got a question, reach out. But I'm about to go. I gotta prepare. I gotta go get I think I got one on one, and then I gotta go get my gotta go get our dinner. If you don't have dinner thoughts, again, once you become a trader, that's probably one of the hardest things to think about what you're gonna eat and exercise. So you're not sitting at a desk all day. So today we're having pizza and probably salad. So I'm gonna be good and ready to rock and roll with you guys tonight because I already know what I'm gonna have for dinner. So we got about 6 more minutes and then we're done. Anybody got questions? Make sure you send me a DM or an email if you need to reach me. My email is scrolling across the screen if you need me. Everybody good? If everybody's good, I will see y'all tonight. Again, come to have fun, come to learn. Don't be stuck up. Um, it's gonna be fun. Just like this was fun. So I'm definitely gonna. I didn't even expect this to be this wild. I'm gonna have to go and chop this up for some more clips. Then I'll post those. But if y'all are good, we out of here. Yeah, we're gonna come back. We might be back tomorrow. If the people don't join the Discord, then I'll be back on here. I think I have a morning client, so it'll probably be after 10 o'clock if we don't have the Discord people. I know if I say, hey, y'all want to go live, my Discord people gonna be like, yeah, Chad, drop the Zoom. But that's it, guys. If you have anything, we do have a community wall. Again, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're growing again. Once I hit 1K, live open Zoom, live trading, just like this. This way you'll be able to talk back to me, no delay. Grow the channel. Come look at the lives. There's plenty of game here. SoFi, make $100 before lunch, $13 to 1,000. We was gonna have Chardell on. I didn't get her. Market recap. A lot of people. Um, one of these shows when I was working with my Discord. Again, you want to know about the Discord? Come into these two videos and rewatch those. You need clarity when you're trading. $100 before lunch. Again, I do these setups so y'all can be better. You want to learn about swing trading and earnings. I have a bunch of earnings replays to tell you how to look at contracts. Earnings season. There we go. 100 over 1,000%. Y'all saw the trades go over 400%. So they are there. But I got you guys. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.